steady wins the race.
Hello everybody, how are you all doing?
Hello. How you doing?
We are here together. We were here yesterday but we didn't actually record anything together.
We were busy.
We were busy. Today is a bit wet and it's a bit miserable. More digger action for me. I am going to be carefully excavating down the side of the brand new building facade. Please don't hit it, Rich. Just to lay some gravel. So essentially we've done like a French drain along that side. Well, all sides essentially are all going to get the same treatment. And yeah, what are you doing, babe?
Tidying up. Indoor job for today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there we go. Cups of tea being had.
Delicious.
So like, subscribe.
Yes, please.
Oh, and hype if you could. Yeah. Okay, should we get on with it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Look what I did.
I did so well up until that point. I needed to cut a straight line in here anyway. Can you see how they're staggered to create a fall for the drainage channel to sit next to? So I will just basically bring the cut up an extra inch or so. Oh, how annoying. I really thought I'd done it. I was quite pleased with myself, but yeah, I'll have to watch the video of you guys to see if I can find out exactly when I did it. Right, okay. Now we have the wall exposed. That is the foundation. Can you see? Just there. So our plan is we're going to spread just a tiny bit of sand over here, compact it all, and then we're going to put insulation back in here, but this time it's going to be wrapped with plastic, so that will stop any moisture getting to it. And then we're going to build some shuttering 200mm away from here, and we're going to fill up with concrete up to about here, and then the drainage channel will sit in there. So that way what we should have is something that shouldn't allow water to get through, because obviously we are built into the side of here, and of course road level is up here somewhere, so we always have to think about water coming in and preventing that water from coming in.
Right, there we go. I've run out of time, which is the story of my autobiography. So yeah, see you next time. Bye.
Come on, dude. You don't want to be on a building site. Come with me. Come on, come on. I'm going to take you somewhere better. I swear. I promise. I promise. I'm going to hold you by the leg. Look, there you go. Be happy. There are always days where you think you are going to win, and sometimes you manage to snatch defeat from the jaws of victory. I was a bit defeated today by the whacker plate. Yeah, the last person that used it clearly knew there was something wrong with it. There was no fuse in the plug, English people will know what I'm talking about, or British people will know what I'm talking about. Clearly it had stopped working and no one told me, so when I came to use it, it doesn't work. Anyway, behind me you can kind of see the work in progress. There are lots of bits here because I've had to kind of figure out exactly how I'm going to do this. It's a challenge, but I'm pretty sure I've got it figured out. Anyway, today's Friday. It's definitely home time. It's been a busy week. I'm very happy with the progress. Like and subscribe as always. Oh, hang on. I've got a special guest coming next week. You'll have to wait and see for who that is. Anyway, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.